Morning student. Today we are going to start new topic, profit and loss account. How to maintain this profit and loss account and entry related with this profit and loss account. Just see, this is the pro forma of profit and loss account. Again I like to repeat, profit and loss account, two side is there, debit side and credit side. Just see in the pro forma, debit side and credit side. Debit side particular, then amount, and credit side particular, then amount. First we have just entered any type of salary, to salary. If in the question given salary relate with the partners, we are showing here only. Then to commission of partners. If any type of partner relate with the any type of commission relate with the partners given in the question, then we are entered here. Then to interest on partner capital. In this interest on partners capital, we are just going to calculate the interest on partners capital and show here. As like that, if 1 lakh capital of partner A and rate of interest is 10%, then 10,000 we are showing in A interest on capital. Okay. Then next, reserve. If in question is given the transfer the PL appropriation amount in reserve, so then we are entered in this part, to reserve. Then see credit side, by profit and loss. This profit and loss come from the profit and loss account. This profit and loss come from the profit and loss account, transfer from there. Then by interest on drawing. In this interest on drawing, we are just calculating the drawing, interest on the drawing, and that interest we are showing here. If any special case is not there, only drawing is given for the during the year, so then we are going to calculate interest on drawing for 6 months only. It's a rule. Interest on drawing from 6 months only. As like that, if 10,000 drawing during the year, 6% rate, so for the 10,000, 6%, 600, but here just for 6 months, so 300, interest on drawing 300. Okay. Then we are adding this credit side, and if credit side is bigger than debit side, then by to profit transfer to capital account. To profit transfer to capital account. Okay. If debit side is bigger than credit side, then by loss transfer to capital account. Okay, profit or loss, anything came, that will transfer in the capital account. And these profit or losses just divide in the partner in his profit sharing ratio. Divide in the partner in his profit sharing ratio. Okay, in profit sharing ratio. Next, we are going to see the entry related with the PL appropriation account. Entry for transfer to the net profit to PL appropriation account, profit and loss account, debit to profit and loss appropriation account. On the time of transfer the profit from PL to PL appropriation, the entry is profit and loss account, debit to profit and loss appropriation account. Next, interest on capital. On the time of interest on capital account, debit to partners capital. This amount will transfer in partners capital. Interest on capital account, debit to partners capital. Okay. And on the time of charging this interest in PL appropriation, that time entry is profit and loss account, debit to interest on capital. Profit and loss account, debit to interest on capital. Next, interest on drawing. When that interest on drawing showing in capital account, then partners capital account, debit to interest on drawing. Partners capital account, debit to interest on drawing. And on the time of charging this interest on drawing in PL appropriation, then interest on drawing account, debit to profit and loss appropriation. Interest on drawing account, debit to profit and loss appropriation. Okay. When we are going to show the salary or commission of partners, then partner's salary or commission account debit to partner's capital. Partner's salary or commission account debit to partner's capital. And on the time of charging this commission or salary, profit and loss appropriation account debit to partner's salary or commission. Profit and loss appropriation account debit to partner's salary or commission. Next, transfer the profit to reserve. Then profit and loss appropriation account debit to reserve. Profit and loss appropriation account debit to reserve. Last, profit or loss transfer in capital account. If profit is there, then profit and loss appropriation account debit to partner's capital. And if loss is there, so then partner's capital account debit to profit and loss appropriation. If loss, so partner's capital account debit to profit and loss appropriation. Okay, these all are entry. One more system to understand the entries is very easy. Just see the PL appropriation account. In this PL appropriation account, all the head which is coming in the debit side, it means PL appropriation account debit to all the head which is coming in the debit side. And credit side, if any head showing on the credit side, it means credit side head account debit to PL appropriation. This is also one system by which you are easily understand the all entry. This is all about the PL appropriation account and related entry. Again, I like to repeat this PL appropriation account because it's very important. PL appropriation account two side. Debit side, all the expense relate with the partners. All the expense relate with the partner as like salary of partner, commission of partner, interest on capital, reserve, and any type of expense related with the partner, interest on drawing. By profit, we are showing by profit PL that has come from the PL account. Profit that has come from the PL account. Then taking the difference from debit and credit side, if credit side bigger, then profit will come debit side and that will be transferred in capital account. If debit side will bigger than credit side, then loss will come on credit side, that will also transfer in capital account, partner's capital account. Okay, this is the PL appropriation and related entry. In next video, we are going to see the capital account and current account. Okay, thank you.